The next step that we're going to take is finding the correct concealer by using a color wheel. Makeup is a lot like an actual art. That's why we're called makeup artists, because it's an art, and it's a lot like painting and using the color wheel. A lot of problem areas. This full coverage makeup did a fantastic job covering up the majority of her areas that had a little bit of discoloration through here. I still see a little bit of discolor or purple underneath her eyes, and so we're going to find out on the color wheel, going opposite the color wheel, what would neutralize underneath dark circles, and it shows yellow. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to find a concealer that has like a yellow undertone in it to cover up underneath her dark circles. So I'm going to take a little bit of my yellow here. And I'm not just going to directly put the yellow underneath her eyes. I'm going to do what's called a foundation concealer relationship, and then I'm going to apply underneath the eye. Going outward in, once again, I'm just brushing. You can use your fingers, you can use, a new brush, you can use your foundation brush. Just adding that underneath, and it totally is neutralizing the purple underneath her eyes to give her a nice clean look. And on this side, so I'm finishing up underneath her eyes here, and she has a beautiful full clean palette. You can pick up these products anywhere at the you can pick it up at the drugstore, any local beauty supply. But like I said, what I recommend doing is you want to build a relationship between the foundation and the concealer. A lot of the foundations or a lot of the concealers that you'll find at the beauty supply stores are just yellow, just green, and you want to mix the two so that you're not just applying the yellow to the skin to give it a better coverage. And that's the concealer and the cover wheel.